Welcome back to freehighschooleducation.com. Today we are going to do chapter 7.4 in Algebra 1, page 256, factoring trinomials ax squared plus bx plus c. At the bottom of the page, they are asking you to factor 4x squared minus 2x minus 6. The first thing we see here in this trinomial is that all these numbers are even numbers, so we can factor 2 out, and that will make things easier for us. Now, all we have to do is factor this one. This is a prime number and can be factored only in one way. And you can see from the set of factors that we have here for 3 and 1, and we're working now with absolute value only. If you multiply 2 times 3, you're going to get 6. Whether you add or subtract 1 from this number, you are going to have 7 or 5, and that's not what we want. So this combination of multiplying 2 times 3 is not going to work. So I have to avoid multiplying 3 times 2. So I couple 2 with the 3. Now here is just a matter of fixing the signs. So I'm going till I get a negative sign. So I try a plus and a minus, or a minus and a plus. But it is obvious here that if we put a minus here, we are going to get minus 3x for the inners and plus 2x for the outers. And we are going to get minus x. And so this combination works. And now if you want to incorporate this number 2 with these binomials, you can easily do this by multiplying 2 by this binomial or this binomial. So multiplying it by this binomial, we get 4x minus 6 into x plus 1. And that will be the answer. But usually you're asked to factor completely the trinomial. And in that case, you have to get the 2 out when you factor the trinomial. And so this is one of the tricks in factoring these trinomials, is to reduce it to a smaller numbers, so you can factor it easier. Now another trick to do will be as in number 38 on page 258. Here we have 9 plus 6y minus 8y squared. Here you have a minus for ax squared. So let's rearrange this. This complicates things a little bit, and it's better always to work with a positive coefficient for x squared or y squared. So now we can factor minus 1 outside, and that will give us now, looking at the factors of 8 and 9, we have this combination. If we are going to multiply 9 times 8, we are going to get 72, and that's a big number. Or if we are going to multiply 9 times 1 and 8 times 1, their difference is going to be 1, and their sum is going to be 17. And that's not what we want. So this combination doesn't work. So we are going to break these two numbers into 4y here and 2y, and this into 3 and 3. And now it's just a matter of fixing the signs. If we put here a negative multiplied by 4y, that gives us minus 12y. And if we put here a positive, that gives us 6y. And that works. So these two binomials are the factors of this trinomial. However, we still have the minus sign to deal with. So now we are going to multiply one of these binomials with minus 1. So we are going to do this here. So that will be 3 minus 2y into 4y plus 3. And these are the two factors for this trinomial. And with this, we come to the end of this lesson, and we hope to see you again.